Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this, first of all open Instagram app, and now when I am on my Instagram app, then I am going to into my profile right here, as you can see, and then I am going to click here. It says following, and as you can see I am currently following about 2308 people, as you can see. So that is quite a lot. So obviously you could do like this, you can like go one by one, but for this, like in this case, it just take away too long time, and I am guessing that a lot of you out of here as well has actually like this had this problem, where you have followed way too many of people and you want to be able to unfollow them at once. Well, what you need to do is to go back to your profile right here, because actually in this case we will need some help from Instagram themselves to be able to actually unfollow all of them at once. So I'm going to click on the three line in the top right corner. So click on three lines in top right corner, and in here we need to click here. It says settings, so click on settings, and now we need to click where it says help. So click on help. As you can see, you are now taken to the page right here. What we are going to do is now to click where it says report a problem. Perfect. As you can see, we get a couple of like option in here. You can take either something is not wrong or general feedback. I am just going to click on general feedback. In this case, now when we are talking to this page right here, I am going to write like this to Instagram: please help me to unfollow all of my followers, at once. So write something like this: please help me to unfollow all of my following at once. And now when you are done, just click on send in the top right corner. You don't have to write exactly like this actually, but you just need to explain to Instagram that you actually need them to help you to unfollow all of your following at once, and then you can go back to your profile. Sometimes it can happen quite fast, but unfortunately Instagram often does not work this really quickly, so you will need to like wait a couple of days for this to work basically. So this is the way how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.